Hi, I'm Christina. I'm here to talk to you about the Kicker CS series. We've got the coax versions as well as the component set. They are shallow enough that they'll fit in just about any vehicle and are very, very easy on power. So they'll work with a factory radio, aftermarket upgrade, or you can even amplify them if you choose to do so. They come in a number of different sizes, so you can get them all the way down to a 3.5, all the way up to a 6x9. The Kicker CS series is a very, very nice upgrade from factory to these. It's going to be a night and day difference that you'll actually see. They do really well in the base department, so if you're not quite ready for that sub yet, these are definitely going to cover you for that. They have crystal clear highs. They are very nice and even, so they're going to make sure that you hear a lot of clarity and detail. So the Kicker line is very, very durable, so they're going to last for many years to come, so you don't have to worry about them. They come in a coax version as well as a component. The coax is going to have the tweeter built into the same cone, so you don't have to worry about placing a tweeter somewhere else. The component has the tweeter separated along with the inline crossover. So the tweeter being separated, you can put those up closer to your ears where the highs really where they matter. The component versions do require a little bit more work than a coax would to put in. You'll likely need a back strap for your tweeter just to kind of create a bracket and make sure it fits. They would appreciate some extra power, so if you are able to amplify them either now or in the future, you're going to definitely have better performance out of these. The CS line is a very nice value, great upgrade for your vehicle. I regularly recommend these to my customers. If you'd like to know whether they fit in your vehicle or not, just give us a call and let us know. We're happy to help you out.